If your techno drums already sound decent but still like that heavy club red impact and you don't want to squash your transients, parallel processing is the trick you need. It lets you add weight and aggression without losing punch. Let me show you how. Right now I've got one drum bus focused on clean transients to keep that bite and another drum bus with parallel processing to add weight and energy underneath. Let's hear what happens when I bypass each one. That was the full mix. Now let's listen again, this time just the drum mix without any reverb so you can really hear the difference. If this is already helping you, give this video a like so more people can find it. It really supports the channel and helps me bring you more of these detailed breakdowns. You can see everything is bypassed for now. Now let me show you the exact plugin chain I'm using, one step at a time, so you can easily recreate this sound in your own tracks. Try this on your next track and let me know in the comments if your drums hit harder now. And if you're looking for a hypnotic techno lead using Serum with Ableton stock plugins or an acid techno lead that vibes with your drums, check out these videos right here and see you in the next one.